Welcome, I'm Barney, the roofing guy. We've changed up a few things over the last few months. I know it was Barney between two trucks. Problem is we got our guys working so much we can't get two trucks in the building at the same time. So we wanted to explain it, and further down the line I will explain, the new heading of our new show. Appreciate everybody tuning in. I have a real special guest, my good friend Buddy. Oh, forgot about him here. Welcome, Buddy. Yeah, he don't talk much. He's kind of shy around the camera. It's funny. Me and Buddy met up in Florida when I went to the SPFA. And funny about this story is that, I talked to the ownership and he's like, "Hey, I would sure like to go." He said, "Well, it's not a sob story, all right? Leave it go." All right, sorry about that. He kind of interrupts me once in a while. He's new at this, so I'm trying to teach him a little bit. Basically what I said is, we went down to Florida. Finally, after 20 years, I got to go to the SPFA convention and ran into Buddy here. And the funny thing was, we looked at each other, it's like, "Man, you remind me of somebody." And we keep looking at each other, we still can't figure it out. So we ended up talking, become good friends, and funny thing is, he was like, "Man, I'm looking for a job. I'm between jobs right now." And I said, "You know what? Why don't you come back to Ohio, see if West Roofing will hire you." So, what happened was he sat down with ownership and they didn't hire him. He's like, "Really?" So I went to the ownership and, okay, all right. Sorry about that. So I went to the ownership and I asked him, "Hey, why didn't you hire him?" He's kind of a rude, doesn't talk much, It's like, okay. But if I wanted to hire him, I'd have to take it out of my own salary. And I laughed. It's like, I ain't got that much salary. So, well, here we are, So I hired him and we talked about it. He said, "You know what? I can do a show." So the name of our show is going to be from now on, it's Barney and Buddy, the roofing guys. Me and Buddy hope you guys tune in. I'm sorry. He gets this way sometimes. I don't understand why, but like I said, he's still kind of shy around the camera. So trying not to make him cuss too much. Stop! Bark you like a toothpick. All right, sorry about that. He's still trying to come into play here. Little toothpick. Well, I just want to say thanks for wasting our time and tune in next time. Good day.